Hello, this is Warweasel again. I'm making this video because I'm having a problem with Unreal and I have no idea how to fix it. Here, I'll show you. I have this test forward stab and I have some root motion on there. Notice that you go very far. Now, I turn on enable root motion like I'm supposed to. I can go to the third person character. I disabled all the movement, so the only thing I should get is the root motion of the animation. And here I take root motion from everything. Root motion from everything. And down here I play /. I do not loop the animation. And I do have, let's see, I do have this arrow which checks the current combo and makes sure that it is the charge combo where I have to hold down B. Now here is the problem that I'm getting. Remember, I can't move anywhere except, well, I can jump. There. Held B, but I should be going much, much further. I have no idea what's going on here, and I am open to any suggestions of what I'm doing wrong. All right. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate any help, and have a good day.